Okay, welcome in part 2. Let's open the second booster. Oh, there is something golden. Oh, that was nice. Okay. We have Rock, Perona, Bluzin, Cavendish, Usopp, Fighting Fish, like cartoon one, Rino Schneider, Foxy, Mocho, Bonnie again, Liberation. Oh, that's a cool looking card. And we have, oh, Law, even better. It's like, oh, it's not the red one. That's a cool looking card as well. Okay. And we have the additional one. Is it gonna be the same? Yes, it's gonna be the same. Well, but that is a nice one. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for part 2. And thanks for watching.